Immaculate Conception Parish Church.
So mao ni ang pinakaunang simbahan diri sa Misamis Oriental.
Tara, kuyugi kami.
Ang tagumpay, tulungan ang kapwa at bigyang
pagsulod nimo, ma-feel dayon nimo ang peace. The wooden beams, ang altar, the details, so classic, so warm, so calm. A place for reflection, or simply capturing beauty kung mahilig ka mo picture.
Magandang bukas, ikaw at ako magkasama tayo. Salubungin ang kinabukasan.
Historically, this church stands as one of the earliest symbols of faith introduced in this part of Misamis Oriental during the Spanish era. Gitukod siya by missionaries nga nagtabang sa pag-form sa early Christian community sa Hasaan. For centuries, this structure witnessed the growth of the town, the struggles of the people, and the unbroken devotion that shaped their identity. Built pa ni during the Spanish era, imagine pila na ka-years nga nilabay since gitukod ni siya. And the architecture, super unique, barn-style baroque. Murag ma-transport kabalik sa karaan nga panahon.
Magandang bukas, ikaw at ako magkasama tayo. Salubungin ang kinabukasan.
Ug sa gawas, grabe kanindot. Mountains, fresh air, old town charm, very chill, very Instagrammable. Murag perfect kayo nga escape. Maugyod ni ang reason why this place is considered a true cultural treasure because it carries the memory of generations.
Makita ni mo diri unsa kakusog ang faith sa mga tao. It's more than a tourist spot. This is where people come to breathe, to connect, to find peace and meaning.
So if you're looking for a place, historic, meaningful, and breathtakingly beautiful, visit the Immaculate Conception Parish Church sa Hasaan. Promise, it's a vibe, it's heritage, it's home.